I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You already have the basics. Now begin. First, verify the VM resource and public IP in the Azure portal because you need an address to reach. Next, make sure the network security group allows the protocol. RDP uses port 3389. SSH uses port 22, otherwise connections will fail. Also, check you have the VM username and either the password or the private SSH key file. Once done, open your terminal or RDP client and prepare the connection command or session. Now you execute the connection. For Linux VMs, run sshi/path/to/key username at public IP. Set the private key to permission 600 so SSH accepts it. For Windows VMs, launch Remote Desktop, enter the VM IP or DNS name, then authenticate with username and password. Click Connect. Alternatively, use Azure Bastion from the portal to tunnel securely without opening ports. This is safer for public networks. Make sure the VM's boot diagnostics show it's running, and wait a minute if it just started. Finish the process and validate access. After connecting, update packages and record any host key prompts to prevent future warnings. If you cannot connect, first confirm VM state, running versus deallocated, and ensure the public IP hasn't changed. Then inspect the NSG rules, VM level firewall, and any corporate VPN that could block traffic. If problems persist, use Azure Serial Console to diagnose. Reset SSH or RDP settings from the portal, or redeploy the VM. This often resolves configuration corruption when all else.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.